Hello everyone, welcome to our channel 2 Minute Puzzles. In this channel, we will be discussing different concepts of mathematics and puzzles and riddles. And these questions are mostly asked in different competitive exams we have seen like GATE, CAT, SSC, RRB and so on. So this channel will make you boost up your IQ levels and easily solve any sort of questions that were asked on maths puzzles. So in this channel, daily we'll be picking up different concepts, and today we have picked up two concepts differently, number series and averages. And we will be taking two different questions, each question from each topic, and we will be discussing them in detail with the solutions. So this will make you easily understand the concept separately. So let us move on, and the first question we are taking is based on number series. So we will be giving you a question and you have to answer and comment your answers. So then we will be providing you the solution. The question says what comes next in the series, and the question given is 1, 1, 4, 36, 576 and a question mark. You have to replace the question mark with a digit or a value which appropriately completes the series. So pause the video and comment your answer. Try it yourself. Keenly observe if there is anything that is matching with the series, any mathematical operations that are being performed that makes you click your mind to get the correct answer, no matter what it is. Just observe. They are perfect squares. So in 10 seconds you are going to see the correct answer for this question. 3 more seconds. 2 more seconds, and finally you are here with the correct answer, and the answer is 14,400. The correct answer for this number series question is 14,400. We appreciate everyone who has commented their answers as 14,400. So you might be wondering how this answer we got for the series. So the previous one is just a 3-digit, but we got here a 5-digit number as the next one in the series. So let's look into the logic they have used. 1, 1, 4, 36, 576. So all these are perfect squares, right? 1, 1 square, 1 again 1 square, 4 is 2 square, 36 is 6 square, 576 is 24 square. So obviously they might have used some squaring mathematical operations to get them in the series. So if you see 1 into 1 square gives you the second one, and 1 into 2 square gives you the third digit, and 36 is 4 into 9. 9 is 3 square. So 4 into 3 square gives you the 36, and 576 will be coming when you multiply 16 with 36, whereas 16 is written as 4 square. So 36 into 4 square is 576. So obviously the next one will be 576 into 5 square. So 576 into 25 gives you 14,400. So this is the answer for this number series. All you need is check out what type of numbers they are and what do have their relationship between them. Now quickly we are moving on to the next concept based on averages. So the question says is the average of 30 students in a class is equals to 14. When the age of a teacher is included, then the average became 15. Find the age of the teacher. So, keenly observe, previously there are 30 students and their average age is 14. And when the teacher's age is also included in that, then the average became 15. So, you need to find the age of teacher. Pause the video and comment your answer. Pick up a pen and paper. Note down the data given. Then you will be finding its solution within seconds. Averages concept is very beautiful concept once you know how to take it up. So in 10 seconds you will be getting what is the correct answer for this question. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now the correct answer is 45 years. So the age of teacher is 45 years. Perfect. Well done everyone who has commented their answer as 45 years. You are genius. And now we are going to check out exactly the solution. What is the logic we have used? What is the method we try to solve it? So as I said, when I'm reading question, just I have taken the metadata they have given in the question. When there are 30 students, then the average is 14. So total age will be the total number of students into their average. So 30 into 14 will be 420 years. And then the teacher is added. So 30 plus 1. For 31 members, the average became 15 years. So the total age will be 31 into 15, that is equals to 465 years. So in order to get the age of teacher, you need to subtract the 30 students total age from the total 31 members total age. So 465 years minus 420 years, you will be getting 45 years. Therefore, the answer for this question is 45 years. So see how it's simple when you take up the metadata. Just write down the metadata. It just takes a couple of seconds for you to note it down, right? It will help you to understand the concept and it will help you to bring out something from the data that is already given. All you need is calculate. Okay, so we have seen from the first slide, so these answer going somewhere else, nothing else. They are coming us to remind that it's time to thank everyone for watching our video. So you can comment your queries and we will be answering you. Also, you can contact us on our Facebook page, Maths Puzzles and Riddles. And now, finally, it's time for us to like and subscribe to our channel. So please like to our channel and subscribers. Do not forget to click on the bell button in order to get the notifications for your future uploads from our channel. Thank you guys. Hope you all like this video. We will be meeting up with another new concept soon. Bye.